Anybody who detects a park, a beach, a swimming hole, a place where there's a lot of people gathered together having a good time, they will tell you that you find a lot of bottle caps. Now, the guy who drank this beer was probably having an awesome time, but it really stinks to have to dig a bunch of these when you're looking for rings or coins. The problem with them is that even with a discriminating metal detector, they can ring up as a high conductor. They sound just like a zinc penny a lot of the time. So today I'm going to show you how to use a unique feature on the MX Sport called reject volume to positively ID bottle caps. Got the GoPro on, turn on the MX Sport. Now I'm going to ground balance. Okay, so the ground is a phase of 76 and I've got 4 bars. So this is Sweet Home Dirt, it's pretty nasty. So let's start with a zinc penny. Nice clean signal, reading as a zinc penny on the meter. What about the bottle cap? Same deal, nice clean signal. Actually reading higher as a copper penny on the meter. That's why people dig so many of these, because they get a good signal. They say, that sounds like a penny, I'll dig it up. And then it turns out to be just a nasty bottle cap. So that's the problem. How does the MX Sport solve that problem? I'll show you how. Hit options and then go down to reject volume. Put that about 50. That's going to take the discriminated range here and give me an iron tone at 50% of the volume of the accepted range. It's not really kicking in yet. It's still reading it as a zinc penny. But watch what happens when I move it off. It's telling me it's iron, and it's giving me the iron tone. Zinc penny. Nice clean signal. Nothing. It's either there or it's not there. There, not there. Bottle cap again. So with the reject volume off, the bottle cap's a good signal, and then it's gone, just like the zinc penny. Now if I turn it back on, it's a good signal, and it's a bad signal. So that's the bottle cap trick with the MX Sport. Using the reject volume and moving the coil off the target just a little bit, if that signal goes away, better chance that it's something you want to dig up. If it's still there and it turns into an iron grunt, plays at a lower volume, better chance that it's one of these nasty bottle caps and you might want to leave it. Now I gotta warn you, a lot of the best treasure hunters I know, they dig almost every signal. And because of that, they find a lot more treasure, even though they end up with a lot of trash. But in an area where you got a lot of bottle caps and you're sick of digging them up, you can use this trick to positively ID them, hopefully find more treasure, leave the trash for the other guys.